Hello, 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 and welcome to Kid Writes Quick Writing Tips with special guest star Teddy. Yay! Yay! So I've heard a lot of questions on a couple of the writing forums and some of the Facebook pages about story structure, what it is, how to use it. So I've come up with a quick, short, and easy to remember way to think about the hero's journey, one of the most common stories that you'll see, and one of the most common types of structure that you'll use. Now, the hero's journey is typically broken up into 3 acts. Those 3 acts all have 3 parts. Now, real short, Teddy. Real short, those 3 parts are Act 1. You have a problem. The hero doesn't want to solve the problem. Hero, something happens, they decide they have to solve the problem. Act 2. Hero learns how to fight or how to solve whatever problem it is. Whatever the problem is, he learns the tools. Part 2. The hero learns that he absolutely sucks at whatever it is he needs to do to fight the bad guy. If the bad guy is a chess master, this is the point where he learns that he really is not ready to take on basically anyone at chess. If the hero's a kung fu master, this is the part where he realizes he can't fight. This is typically where you'll see a training montage right around here-ish. Now, right after the hero realizes that there's no way he can win, he realizes that he has to fight the bad guy right now. Right now, Teddy. Act 3. Hero gets beat the snot out of him. The part in Star Wars, thank you, Teddy. You know the part in Star Wars, Obi-Wan Kenobi's dead, they're trying to fight the Death Star because if not, they're going to die in 5 minutes, and then Darth Vader shows up and kills, everybody except Luke? Yeah, that's basically what happens to the hero. But then something happens that absolutely changes the stakes. Just whatever this is, it can be... If this is well done, you're typically going to have something that changes everything about why they're fighting the bad guy. A good example of this, in the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, you got Christopher Lloyd just in the end, "This is the face I wore when I killed your brother," all that. Fantastic example of that, because now he's no longer fighting the murderer, or rather the guy who was trying to frame Roger Rabbit. Now he's fighting his brother's murderer. And because of that, hero wins, and then everybody goes and parties. Typically don't spend too long at the parties, but this has been a long time. You can enjoy yourself. Bye.